Let's start from split time. And 5, 6, 7, and 1, and swivel, and 2, and swivel, 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's try this. Let's do swivel. Do a couple of these. 1, 2, 3. Now swivel and hold your underhand. 1, 2, 3. Swivel to your underhand. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Get it, get it, get it. Now swivel back to your overhand. Now swivel back to your underhand. And now swivel back to your overhand. So we'll go small, 2, 3, in split time. Small, 2, 3, 4. Now go big for 4, 3, 2, 1, and small, 2, 3, 4. Now big, 2, 3, 4. Now small, 2, 3, 4, and big, 2, 3, 4, and small, 2, 3, 4, and big, 2, 3, 4. Now swivel to overhand and big, 2, 3, 4, and small, 2, 3, 4, big, 2, 3, 4, and small, 2, 3, 4, big, 2, 3, 4, big, 2, 3, 4, and small, 2, 3, 4. Now big, 2, 3, 4. Now swivel and big, 2, 3, 4, and small, 2, 3, 4. Now big, 2, 3, 4. Now swivel and big, 2, 3, 4, and small, 2, 3, 4, and big, 2, 3, 4. Swivel and big, 2, 3, 4. Small, 2, 3, 4, and big, 2, 3, 4. Swivel, big, 2, 3, 4, and small.